Centr Fitness app by Chris Hemsworth. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Imagine having a personal trainer, nutritionist, and mindfulness coach all rolled into one app. That's the promise of Centr, the fitness platform created by actor Chris Hemsworth. But how much does it cost, and is it worth it? Centr costs about $99 per month or $99 per year and gives you full access to its fitness, meal and mental wellness programs. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just celebrity branding. But Centr actually brings together world-class trainers, chefs and experts in mindfulness to deliver a complete lifestyle plan. You'll find guided workouts in strength training, height, boxing, yoga and Pilates, all filmed in high quality and designed for every fitness level. Each plan adjusts automatically based on your goals, whether it's fat loss, muscle gain or improved energy. Nutrition is another big part of the package. You get meal plans, grocery lists, and recipes curated by professional chefs and dietitians. Everything is customizable for preferences like vegetarian, vegan, or gluten-free. What makes Centr stand out is its holistic approach combining fitness, nutrition, and mindset. You'll even find guided meditations and sleep aids designed to improve recovery and focus. So, what do you get for your money? A complete, movie star-level fitness ecosystem that fits in your pocket. If you want to train, eat and live like Chris Hemsworth, or at least feel a little more like him, Centr is one of the most motivating and polished fitness apps on the market.